Hey guys, welcome to One Kitchen. I'm Julia. Another idea for a new year snack. Today I have some delicious inspired cigars. Normally they are made with phyllo pastry and then some Turkish feta cheese and then just some parsley. But today I'm going to do it a bit more my way, making them a puff pastry, then some soft feta cheese and then some garlic butter. They are delicious, yummy, and they are yummy to eat both warm and cold. Let's get started. I have lots of chopped parsley and some crushed garlic in a bowl. Then I'm just going to add in lots of melted butter and just mix it well. Spread it out on a puff pastry sheet. And I've just cut a large piece of feta cheese into some thick strips, and I'm just going to add them on there with some nice space in between. Then cut it up. And now it is time to close these. It is important that you close these well because puff pastry is acting a bit weird in the oven. So if you haven't closed them properly, they will open up in the oven and that can be a bit of a mess. But if you haven't closed them correctly, you can fix it in the end when they are done baking in the oven. Just take them out and use a spatula or something like that to kind of squeeze it together again without breaking the pastry. Then just squeeze it together and let it cool down, and then it will sit like a perfect little bite. So you can fix it if you haven't closed them correctly, but please see if you can close them correctly from the beginning so they are looking nice and pretty, but they are tasty no matter what. These are all closed. I'm just going to brush them all with some lightly whisked egg. And sprinkle over some sesame seeds. Bake them in the oven for about 18 to 20 minutes, just until they are nice and golden brown. And after that, if some of them have opened up, close them again quickly and just let them cool down completely. After that, they are ready to be served. Let's give one a go. Yum guys, these are so delicious and so worth it. Give them a go. All ingredients are down below as always, and remember to enjoy your New Year's Eve when it is here. Bye.